So we got our box tacked together. Now we're gonna put some aluminum tape on the outside to make it airtight. Once that's done, then we'll start wrapping the foam on it. So we got our elements cut in there, and then we wrapped it with some tape. The tape we got this time was a lot thicker, a lot better than the old crap we got. This stuff was like tinfoil. You can see inside, we got our elements in there. So we put a couple handles on it to make it easier to lift on and off. I just put a couple tabs on the edges to help keep it centered. Everything looks real good. So here we are, finished product. We are letting her warm up. It's taking a while because of all the steel. But as you can see, we are warming right up. We're at 244 right now. I'll just tell you a bit about it while we're cooking. The sheet I ordered from a steel supplier in my town called Actron Steel. And this is a 16 gauge sheet. I had it sheared at my sizes, and there was just a little piece left right there from a 5x10 sheet. That's all that was left. So we welded it up. I didn't weld all the way. Definitely would have helped with the heat escape. But we did tape the shit out of it, and I have some really good aluminum tape. It's really thick, heavy duty. The last stuff we used was a freaking joke with tinfoil. So this is holding up real well. We put the foil foam on, put the foil towards the steel. It seems to be working. It just takes a while with the two elements. Might put a third in there, you know what I mean? Just to make it a little quicker.
I had a problem with my shop space, shit was a disaster. Need a room to build my oven, need a place to store my powder. So I called my uncle's contractor, told him come out right away. Said I need some help and need a couple things built, but there's something in the way. That's when he looked me in the face, he said, build it yourself. I can show you how to build it yourself. Yeah, you can build it yourself. Yeah, I can show you how to build it yourself. Gotta build it, you can build it yourself. I can show you how to build it yourself. Gotta build it, you can build it yourself. I can show you how to build it yourself. Gotta build it, you can build it yourself. I can show you how to build it yourself.
Well, the oven worked well, but I did order a third element so it would heat up a little hotter. But we never taped the foam on the bottom. And this 2x4, when you're getting up 400 degrees, that's not working. The saps in the wood are exploding. You can hear it go pow. So we're gonna have to use a piece of steel rod, something like that. I just liked it because it stayed flat, you know what I mean? But we'll fix her up right. But the frame looks good. I think we're looking pretty decent here. It did get a little heavy right here because it just dumped on there for some reason. I guess it's a new gun and everything, but I mean, overall, man, it looks really, really nice. I think it looks good. So, yeah, just a couple things to do to the oven, and it will be perfection. So, really cool. I think I did a good job. Cool down, and tomorrow we'll do the forks once we fix the oven.